So it's been a while since we had a video. Been kind of busy doing some stuff, so we thought we'd do a little voiceover while we record this one.
This is when you know you're excited because something special's coming out to you in the morning, bro.
What up, homie?
Yo.
Got some goods, man.
Tax logging when we hit 635 East.
Okay.
Is that where we're headed?
Yes. Let me check.
This is me with zero sleep right here.
What's up, bro?
Right on time.
Yeah, perfectly.
Let's roll.
Alright, where are we going? Which way? That way, that way.
There's Chris's face, Lawton. So, Dallas has so many car meets, we have to make special car meets like Carson Cannoli.
It's a pre-meet for our meet so we can meet while we meet, you know what I'm saying?
But this one should be pretty good because there may be a Koenigsegg.
I thought I was not further than you. Car's longer than
I need the story behind it. I see it everywhere now. What is it?
He had a stroke. Yeah. He had a stroke when we were at a car meet. He was like, really.
Did the picture do something, or?
Mark was doing a panoramic.
I got in a bathtub, like, for like a 12-year-old. Yes. Okay, go ahead. Wait, no, he's not able to reach the thing. Go back and turn it back on. No, he's not going to be able to reach the thing behind it. I did it. It's all good.
What are those?
He got so many athletes.
I got you, fam.
No, I got you, bro.
So yes, contrary proper leaf, Joe is still part of No Revving.
Yeah, he's still around somewhere, Joe.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where you want to go? Down that way?
We should park and stay. Unless you want to.
That's a Porsche.
Yeah. Carson Cannoli takes place at a air hangar area, and so what's the third of every month?
Yeah, it's a pretty cool alternative to Cars and Coffee because it's more catered to exotic cars and you don't have as many kids and stuff coming through. But it's cool and it's different, you know. We get a lot of exotics, lots of different things that roll up here.
If I slip into the ocean, swallow me up in one motion, though. Seize my queen, I show devotion. Where's my lifeline, Mr. Bosun? I ain't ready to let go now. I ain't ready to let go. I ain't ready to let go. I ain't ready to let go now. Got that shit.
First time you lay eyes on a Koenigsegg, bro.
Yeah, I think everybody was losing their mind on this car.
Yeah.
Cool.
I mean, I've never seen one in person, you know.
I mean, there's only like what, 80 of them?
There's not a lot of them
Like
out
total?
there. Yeah. And just to see it and appreciate the build quality and everything that's going on with all the little details everywhere, it's amazing, you know.
Details for days.
For days.
How would it break?
Brakes are good. Yeah. Brakes are really, really
It's
good.
cool when you have a car when
it's,
people just come up
yeah.
and ask you to open and close the door. You know?
Yeah.
When you have those building doors.
Oh yeah, people are trying to kill themselves trying to see this thing.
That
Man.
roof comes off too, though.
Yeah, it fits right into the front.
I think you need a little key to open it up.
What's up?
It smells great. It's gonna cost me.
Ready? Tell me what's your...
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, it's so easy. That's crazy. So,
Have you ever seen Koenigsegg in person?
my hands are full. This is on the time.
Yeah, this is my first.
This time I'm more
Does the
feeling.
internet count?
I don't think YouTube counts.
No, Top Gear doesn't count.
Yeah,
That's
this one's
dope.
first one in the flesh, though. Just something. I like the spec on it too.
Yeah.
The red leather interior,
Carbon.
the stitching, yeah, carbon everywhere. It's a beautiful car.
You know what? It didn't sound amazing.
It didn't, yeah, it was different.
Yeah.
But he didn't really get a chance to really open it up for us,
Yeah, that's true.
So maybe under full power, it could have a different sound to it. But, I was just in awe of it anyways. It's just one of those cars for me I put up there with seeing like an F40
Or Zonda or
Zonda. Yeah.
Everybody's video.